All right, today we're gonna smoke a chicken on Memorial Day. So here I have my chicken. I pulled out the giblets. I'm gonna crack the back. All right, now that that's cracked, we're gonna lay it flat. Perfect. Now we're gonna spice this up with salt, pepper, garlic, paprika, all the fun stuff that makes everything taste delicious. All right, we're gonna start off with some garlic powder, some onion powder, a little cayenne, a little chipotle pepper. Nice little spice to that. My personal favorite, paprika. All right, a little bit of thyme. Black pepper. Rub that in. All right, let's flip it over. And we're gonna do the same thing. Paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, some thyme, chipotle, pepper, all right, so I'm gonna take this down to my smoker and we're gonna smoke it about 3 to 4 hours. All right, next we're gonna add our wood chips. They've been soaking about 2 hours, just in some water. I'm using apple wood today. So throw that on our coals. Close that up on that side. Same thing over the other side. All right, I'm gonna close that up. Got my chicken here. All right, I'm gonna lay it pretty much meat side up because I want all the flavor just to be flipped over right here. So check it out. So I'm gonna leave this here. I'm gonna come check this in about 20 minutes. So I can make sure everything's cooking the way I want it. It's not overheating, so I can rotate it, add some more wood chips, and then slow and slow. Then I'll start heating this up about 250. Should take about 3 to 4 hours, just the way I want it. All right, so my chicken's been smoking for about 2 hours. You see the nice coloration. Go ahead and rotate it out. See, look at that right there. Beautiful. I temped it. It sits about 167. So technically it is done, but I'm not done with it. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to wrap it in tin foil right here. All right, so I'm going to wrap it really good. I'm going to add some butter. I'm going to wrap it and throw it on the smoker some more, just so I can make sure that's completely done the way that I want it. All right, so here it is wrapped up. I got it right back on the smoker. My smoker is sitting about 225. So I'm going to go ahead and let it sit here for about another 45 minutes to an hour. And then I'm going to let it rest for 10 minutes before I open it up and cut it open. Just the food. Did you push play?
Yes.
Oh, stop it. Hold on. Let me, got me laughing. I have to go back and figure out which one. All right, go ahead. All right, so I pulled my chicken. It's been sitting in tin foil for about 45 minutes after it was done. I left it on the smoker. As you can see, I'm pulling it out, and it's just falling apart, and just what I'm looking for. I'm going to go ahead and flip it over. You see the juices. The thigh came right off where the tear open the other thigh. Look at that, comes right off. Wings. Pull those off. Look at that. I'm going to take my knife here. Wrong one. I'm going to crack the breast. Should come completely off. As you can see the beautiful smoke ring, the beautiful meat on it, nice and tender. Now I'm going to plate this up, and dinner is served with a little bit of asparagus and roasted tomatoes.